The power of growth mindset. In a quaint town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young baker named Emily. Emily had inherited her family's bakery, renowned for its delicious pastries and warm atmosphere. However, as new, trendy cafes began popping up around town, Emily found herself struggling to keep up with the competition. One particularly disheartening day, after receiving yet another lukewarm review, Emily felt like giving up. She confided in her grandmother, Margaret, a wise woman who had seen the bakery through many ups and downs. Margaret listened carefully, and then shared a story. "When I was your age, Emily, I faced a similar challenge. Our bakery wasn't always the success you see now. We had our share of failures. But I learned about the power of a growth mindset, and it changed everything." Emily was intrigued. "A growth mindset? What's that?" Margaret smiled. "It's the belief that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Challenges are opportunities to learn, not signs that we're not good enough." Inspired, Emily decided to adopt this mindset. Instead of seeing the competition as a threat, she viewed it as a chance to innovate. She started experimenting with new recipes, drawing inspiration from different cultures and trends. She also took baking courses online to refine her skills. Her first few attempts were far from perfect. The new matcha croissants were a bit too bitter, and the lavender scones didn't rise as expected. But instead of feeling defeated, Emily analyzed what went wrong, sought feedback from customers, and tried again. Gradually, her persistence paid off. The matcha croissants became a hit, perfectly balanced in flavor, and the lavender scones were a customer favorite, light and fragrant. Emily also introduced a cozy corner in the bakery where people could learn about the history of baking, creating a unique experience that set her apart from the new cafes. One day, a local food critic visited the bakery. Emily nervously watched as he sampled the pastries. To her delight, he praised the innovative flavors and the warm, inviting atmosphere. His review brought a surge of new customers, curious to experience the bakery's offerings. Emily's bakery thrived, not just because of her new recipes, but because of her growth mindset. She continued to learn and adapt, always looking for ways to improve. She realized that setbacks were just stepping stones on the path to success. Years later, Emily shared her story with young aspiring bakers, encouraging them to embrace challenges and believe in their potential. She knew firsthand that with a growth mindset, the possibilities were endless. And so, the bakery flourished, becoming a symbol of resilience and creativity in the heart of the town, a testament to the power of a growth mindset.